So I meant to do this video a couple weeks ago, but I did that 4-inch lift in the Jeep, and it had a death wobble, and which we knew nothing about at the time. I mean, this is it was pretty much a full lift kit. It was $550, but the death wobble was apparently because of the caster on the axle, and the cheapest way out is to get these brackets. These were Rancho brand, but it's got that top hole's for a 2-inch lift, second hole's for a 3, third hole's for a 4, and the last hole's for a 6-inch lift. But that adjusted the camber. I guess you lose a couple inches right there. Same on the other side, but that took care of the death wobble right there. Anyways, I mean, that was the cheapest way out. I think she found those on Amazon for like 130 or 140. It took me about an hour and a half to put them in, but I was taking my time. They sell, I've seen aftermarket ones on eBay that I don't know how thick the metal is, so I don't know if I would have trusted them, but you could get them for cheaper. But yeah, if you do a 4-inch lift and you do that $550 one, you're gonna spend an extra 100 and change to fix the death wobble. Later.